Hi, this is Bo Bennett. I'm the founder and creator of Groups.com, and I just want to give you a quick tour to show you what this is about and how awesomely amazing it is. And yes, that is a little bit biased, but you be the judge. All right, if you click on your groups, you'll be able to see all of your different landing pages organized by what I call groups, Groops. Each group is a collection of landing pages that have some kind of similarity. So I have one for my author voices, one for my BookBud, Book Marketing Pro, ghostwriting, and one for Spanish. And I have a lot more plans, but this is just what I'm starting with right now. So let's take a look at author voices. I'm going to click on that. It's going to automatically take me into the editing mode for the landing page. All I need to do on any different screen of the page, I just click on visit the landing page. It's going to take me right to the page and I get to see what it looks like. This has the header. We've got our custom links up here. We've got the custom logo that AI creates in a matter of seconds. It does an amazing job. You've got our main header, your secondary header. You've got the email widget that collects email addresses from visitors. So these are great sources of leads. They just enter their email address, click submit. It does a check to make sure it's a valid address and then sends it right to you. We've got a little section here about what they need, what their problem is, and how your product or solution can solve their problem. Then we have what's called the steps module, step by step. So for this landing page, I have a 3-step process and I have a video for each one. So you click on step 1, you can watch the video, step 2, step 3, it shows people what to do. This is a custom section. So we have custom HTML where I could build whatever I want, or I could pull something in from an iframe. Here, I'm just pulling in something I've already done where we meet our narrators. You could click on any of the narrators and hear their voices. So that's a custom HTML section. So if the modules don't quite meet exactly what you need, don't worry about it. You got a custom HTML section to handle that. We've got something called 3 different benefits here. That's right to the point. And then we have something a little bit more detailed, 9 different benefits, shows you what you get. And again, just keep in mind that all of these sections are created with AI. Okay, this is the important part. You don't have to go type everything in and enter everything in. And I'm going to show you that, how amazing it is and how quick it is. But just keep that in mind as you're seeing this. This is the call to action. You always want a good call to action on your page to make sure that people take action. You're telling them what you want them to do. You're giving them an easy way to do it. In our case, clicking a button. We have some more text here that goes into benefits in more details. And this is great for SEO because we want an opportunity to get our keywords in. And that's what we're doing here. We've got some nice little bar charts that shows some narration cost savings or whatever you want it to show. We got a section for reviews. We've got some facts. We've got example books. This is a nice little carousel where you could have your different images of whatever you want, and you click on the image and that image could go to any URL. Great for showcasing different client logos, different work that you've done, whatever, examples. Then we have another section here for a call to action. It's the second one because if they missed the first one, well, they got another chance to do a call to action. And then we have a contact form, how to contact us. So this is great because your email address is not exposed, so you're not going to get spammed. This is all done in the back end. Somebody fills out this quick little form, and then it goes to your email without them actually seeing your email before filling out the form. So that's it. There's actually a couple more modules too, but I don't use every module for every page, and that's important to know as well. You could design a page just using one module, or you could use all of them, whatever you want. Now let me show you quickly how easy it was to build this page. I'm going to go back into my group section here, and this is the landing page. This is where the editing is done. You can see from this menu all of the different modules we have, and some of the top parts here and the bottom parts here are just basically deal with organization, like getting the metadata, building the logo. And you could see our videos that I have. I've got a whole course and I've got videos on each one of these that goes into detail on what to do. So I walk you through the whole process. You don't have to worry about it, but you don't even need me to walk you through because it's so intuitive and so easy. You just follow step by step one by one. You go to the first screen, you fill out the information, you click next save, and you go to the next one, and you just keep on doing that. Next thing you know, you have your web page done. So how long does it take? Well, it takes maybe like 10 to 15 minutes per page. That's if you're developing a page for the first time. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. Like, this was the first landing page of my group, so I took a little extra time to build the carousel that you saw. Let's see, I built like the form, and I wanted to make sure I had the right contact information. So that took a little extra time. So the whole thing took me about like 15 minutes or so. So I have literally hundreds of pages that I have to build that are on my list here, and I'm excited to get started. I hope you are too. Take care.